Hello everyone, I welcome you back to this channel. So what I'm going to be explaining to you today is how to configure logon hour on our Windows server. So what does logon hour does? Logon hour specifies the time that a user can log in into their system to do their day-to-day activities. For example, maybe you're working for your organization and the organization started working from 8 to 2 p.m. We need to implement a logon hour on the server so that any employees that come earlier by 7, they need to hold on till 8 until they are allowed to log in into their system. So that's how logon hour works. For example, if I bring up my virtual Windows 10 here, this Windows 10 here, I'm able to log in into this Windows 10 anytime and any day I want to log in into. But anytime I implement logon hour inside the server, logon hour will be the one to specify which time and which day I'm allowed to log in into this particular system. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now, and with no more further delay, let's dive in how we can do the logon hour. So the first thing we need to do is to open our server manager. When you are in your server manager, you need to click on tools and you come to where we have Active Directory, users and computer. So once you click on Active Directory, users and computer, here is going to bring out a lot of options. You need to navigate to wherever your department is. So wherever you created your department, you need to navigate on it. So here I have sales, marketing, ICT and finance. So once I click on sales, you're going to see I have a user called Sammy. Okay, so this is the user called Sammy. So what I'm just going to be doing right now here is that I'm going to double click on it. So once you double click, you come to where we have accounts. You're going to see logon hours. So if I click on this logon hour, you can see that this guy here is permitted from Sunday to Saturday, and from 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. So for example, if I put this in logon deny and I click OK, so what's going to happen is that if I lock, for example, let me lock this system. So I'm going to lock this system. So once I lock this system here, if I try to log in into this system, you're going to see what is going to happen. Do you remember how I do it? I comes to logon hour and you see that logon is denied. So if I try to log in into this system, you're going to see what's going to happen. All right. Okay, let me check where the issue is. Here is a user. Come to logon hour. I will say from this place to here, we'll put it in logon deny. I need to click OK. All right, that's the issue. So let me try to lock this system again. I'm coming where I want to do. I want to lock this system here. So let me try to log in again and let's see. So if I specify, hold on, I think there's a little error here. All right, so I know where the error is in that time. So what you need to do is to click on the user's account, come to where we have account, click on log on hour. You can see here everything here is highlighted. It means that this user can log on anytime. But if I put it on log on deny, you click on OK at the top. You're going to click on apply and you click on OK. So that's what you do. Double click, goes to account, goes to log on hour, put it on log on deny, click on OK, and we click on apply and we click on OK. So for example, if I try to lock this system and log in back, so if I log this system and I try to log in back, okay, let me check again. I lock this system and I try to log in back. Alright, so you're going to see a message that says your account has a time restriction that prevents you from signing in at this time. Please try again. So here now, this system here, you won't be able to log into it again, because inside this place we said that we deny everything, but that's now how it is in a working environment. For example, if organizations start working from 8 and close by 4, and they work from Monday to Friday, you just need to start from where we have 8. This is where 8 started, to where we have 4, which is this, and you need to drag down to Friday. It means that from 8 a.m. to 4, from Monday to Friday, we put it on log on permitted. So anything we specify here, this is the time that the employees can log in into their system, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. from Monday to Friday. That's what you're going to put. OK, put apply, and you click on OK. It means that once the time is 8 a.m., the employees will be able to log into their system to do their own normal work. And once the time is 4, they are not allowed to log in again anymore. So if it tries to log in on the system, if it tries to log into the system, they will be able to log into the system. But anytime we put it on the deny all, they are not going to be able to log into the system anymore. So if I lock, so if I comes to this place, account lockout, you put it, they should allow from Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. Let me specify from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. down. You should put it on log on permitted. So it means that they will only be able to log in from this time to this time. But anytime we put it from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., put it on log on deny, they will be denied from that time to that time. So based on whatever you want to do. So after that, you do it, you click on apply and you click on OK. So once you click on OK, if the user wants to log in to the system, by that time the access is going to be restricted. So let's check. We're going to lock it again and let's check. It should be restricted because the time we say it should be able to log in. Oh, there, the time is 3:44, so that's the reason why they are able to log in. So let me do it like let me say that I only want them to log in from, let's say from, I'm coming, let's specify from 12 to 8 a.m. and I click on log on permitted. From 12 to 8 a.m. But before I do that, I need to put everything on logon permitted. I can put everything on logon deny. Yeah, I will now start from the time I want them to have access. I'm just going to use this as an example. If I put it on logon permitted, click on OK, click on apply, and you click on OK. So let's try to check here. If I lock this, so sometimes if I log in for the first time that I just put the policy, it can be working. As you can see here, it's going to deny access. But anytime I come here, if I come to account, logon hour, if I put everything here on a logon permitted, click OK, apply, and OK. So let's try to log in back here. Yeah, that's how login hour is be configured on that's how logon hour can be configured on our server. So if you find this video useful, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Bye. Thank you for now.